In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in ClickUp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to share this knowledge that'll make your life a whole lot easier. Today we'll dive into how you can seamlessly upload files in ClickUp. Whether you need to share important documents with your team or want to keep everything perfectly organized, being able to attach files right where you need them is a massive productivity booster. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know 2 straightforward ways to upload files to your ClickUp workspace, leaving you with more time to focus on actual work and less time searching for that elusive document. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to head over to any of your tasks within ClickUp. If you're new to ClickUp, think of a task as your to-do item. It's like an assignment on your checklist. Just click on any task to bring up all the details related to that specific task. Now, pay close attention to the bottom section of the task window. Look for a little area marked Attachments. This is your go-to spot for uploading files directly onto the task. You can attach anything here, from a PDF report you need to review to a spreadsheet, a photo, or that vital meeting presentation. Picture this. The next time a teammate asks for a specific file, you can just point them to the attachments within the ClickUp task. It's all right there, organized and easily accessible. To actually upload your file, just click where it says Attachment. This will open your computer's file picker. Now you can browse through your folders and select the file you want to add. It could be something sitting on your desktop or perhaps deeper in your folders. It's totally okay if it takes you a moment to find the right document. Once you've selected it, simply hit the upload button. The system will handle the rest for you. Just give it a few seconds. You might notice a quick progress bar showing that your file is being uploaded, but trust me, it usually goes through in a flash. Now you might be wondering, why should you upload files directly to a task? The beauty of this system is that it keeps everything organized by context. If you're collaborating with teammates or need to review a project later, all relevant files are right where you left them. No more back and forth emails or lost attachments. You'll appreciate this organization down the line. But what if you want to share a file while you're in the middle of a conversation with your team? That's where ClickUp's comment section comes in handy. If you scroll down a bit in any task, you'll see space to leave comments. Think of this as a hub for discussions, quick updates, or even clarifying questions. Right within that comment area, look for a small attachment icon, typically resembling a paperclip. When you click this icon, you'll get the same upload option as before. Imagine this scenario. You're chatting with your team about next week's project, and someone asks for the latest mock-up image. No worries. Just click the attachment icon in your comment, select the mock-up file, and upload it on the spot. It becomes instantly visible within the conversation, making collaboration smooth and keeping everyone in a loop. Now don't panic if you accidentally upload the wrong file or realize you need to add more. ClickUp is flexible. You can always go back and upload additional attachments whenever you need to. The most crucial takeaway here is that you're not just adding a file,